The next part we're going to make is called the motor mount. You need to take your full sheet of index card and you're going to, step one, fold it in half, hot dog style. Then you're going to fold it in half again, hamburger style. Hot dog, then hamburger. Okay. When you are done, again, hot dog, hamburger style. This is what it'll look like, a little rectangle. It's 4 layers thick. The top is going to be the part that has the fold. We're going to put a bend in the top called an M bend. And what it's going to do, it's going to give us something that the straw is going to be able to sit in. To do that, if you're familiar with making paper airplanes, you're going to grab the top, which has the fold in it, and you're going to fold the right and left hand side down, kind of like paper airplane wings. Okay, so I'm going to do that using the table to help me out here. I'm going to keep folding it all the way down. See how this looks kind of like a paper airplane? Fold it all the way down, and I've got what we call an M bend. And later on, the straw is going to go get taped into that groove that we just made. We're not quite finished with this. We're also going to make a small cut. We're going to start from the front end. The front end is the side here that does not have, well, it has the folds. The back end is the kind of ugly end here that has the 4 sheets of paper. From the bottom, top is where our M is, the bottom down here, we're going to mark about 1 centimeter up. I might as well measure it. 1 centimeter up. Mark it. Then from that mark, draw a straight line to the bottom backhand corner. Okay, so again, what we have here is we've got our M-bend piece. We've got the front, which has the folds on it. We have the back, which are open. And we've drawn a triangle about 1 centimeter up down to the backhand corner. We're just going to take our scissors and we're going to cut through both halves along that line. Okay, those will fall off. When we were done, this is what we've got. Okay. I am going to go ahead and show you how it looks if you've done something wrong. This is also a common problem. If you do it wrong, chances are what you probably did is fold it in half. Hamburger first, and then hot dog. Remember, it's supposed to be hot dog, then hamburger. Okay. Then you need to make those exact same M bends. So you make your M bends, fold it over, and see how this looks, you know, wide instead of tall. You want it to be tall and not wide. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this one up with the 1 centimeter from the top. Draw my straight line. And cut through. Okay, again, this one is wrong. Okay. This one's right, this one's wrong. Set this one over here. Now, the next step in making the air car is we're going to assemble the motor mount onto the back of our car body. Choose whichever side you want to be the front. They should be about the same, so it won't matter. And you're going to take a piece of tape and you're going to tape this on to the very, very back so it's kind of flush with the back. See how my car body lines up with the bottom of this? I just need to take a piece of tape, inch or two long. I'm going to line this up along the back here. Take a piece of tape and just tape it to the car body. Flatten that out along the bottom and let it go on up the sides. When I'm done, the front should point, or the top of this should point towards the front of my car. Okay. It would be wrong if I put this on backwards and it was pointing up towards the front of the car. And I'll show you how to do it wrong with this next one. Here's our wrong example. Find the back of our car and tape it on. This is wrong because you'll notice the groove when I'm pointing towards the front of the car, it doesn't point down towards the front, it points up away from the front. This one is wrong, this one is right.